Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to download and install iOS 18 beta profile on iPhone or iPad. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device and want to download and install iOS 18 beta profile, I'll help you how can you do this. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to open your settings. Click on Wi-Fi, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and now you need to go back, and from here you have to disconnect your VPN if connected. And guys, you need to click on screen time, scroll it down, click on content and privacy restrictions, and you have to turn off content and privacy restrictions. And guys, after this you need to go back. So guys, now you have to open your Safari browser here, and guys, here you need to search beta profiles, and from here you have to open betaprofiles.dev. And guys, after opening this you need to scroll it down. And guys, now you can see iOS 18 beta is coming in 12 hours. So guys, when it's coming I'll tell you how can you install on your iPhone. So guys, easily you can do this. Simply you have to click on developer option from here, as you can see, and from here you will see iOS 18 beta profile. And guys, when you will see iOS 18, simply you have to click on install profile and click on install. And guys, after this you need to click on allow, and after this iOS 18 will be installed. And guys, the second method is you have to open your settings again, click on general, and here click on software update, and you will see iOS 18 beta profile here. Simply you have to download and install that profile on your iPhone or iPad. So guys, these are the ways to download and install iOS 18. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.